Okay, baby.
Where's Miss Naomi Bear? I can't find her anywhere. She always hides when it's time for tickles. She's such a silly bear. Oh. There's Naomi. Is that your cape?
Okay, get ready.
Where's Naomi? Where's Miss Naomi? I can't find her anywhere.